This is my latest design, and for anyone who are struggling in making the arms with thumb fingers on the hand, then this is a clip for you to show you on like how did I make it, or how do you do for this stitch, which is the bobble stitch. Alright, so you will have the arms like this. In here is the other arm, which I already made 4 rows here. So in here is the finished of row 4. Yeah, it's finished of row 4, the last stitch of row 4. Now we're going to crochet row 5 as said on the screen. So we will start to crochet 1 bobble stitch with 4 double crochet. So at first, let's wrap the yarn around the hook, and then you insert the hook into the next stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull the yarn through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Keep wrap the yarn and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the hook, and then just leave it here. We stop here. Continue to crochet. We will wrap the yarn and insert it into the same stitch. Wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through, and wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Okay, so it's like we just do a part of the double crochet. We just do the half process of the double crochet. It's 2 double crochet already. Now we just continue with crochet the 3rd double crochet. So wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the same stitch, wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through, then take yarn, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. That's how I complete the 3rd double crochet for the double stitch, for the bobble stitch. Continue, wrap the yarn, insert the hook, wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Then wrap the yarn one more time. We will pull it through, and we wrap the yarn, pull it through the first 2 loops. Now on the hook, you will have 2, 4, and 5 loops. See? Until you have 5 loops on the stitch like this, on the hook like this. So until you have 5 stitches, so until you have 5 loops on the hook like this, you will stop and then wrap the yarn. We pull it through these 5 loops. That's how we end up the bobble stitch with 4 double crochet. And then now we will just keep crocheting normally, but make sure to start the next stitch, the next single crochet, by crochet tightly. So I normally use this finger to pull this bobble, to pull it, and then insert the hook here, wrap the yarn, have 2 loops on the hook. One more time, wrap yarn and pull it through these 2 loops. So that's how I start the new stitch. And we finished the bobble stitch. See, just keep continue. It's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 10 and 11. So now I just complete row 5 of the designs. So in here you already finished, or you already made a bobble stitch here. Continue working in row 6. Okay, I will continue to crochet on row 6 so that you can see the finger more clearly. So as said on the design, we will keep crocheting row 6 with 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. So in here, let's start to insert the first stitch here. 1 and 2, 3, then make a decrease. In here I'm going to use this invisible decrease, which is insert the hook into the next front loops of the next stitch. Here, insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch, front loop only. Continue, insert the hook into the next front loop of the next stitch. Wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through these 2 loops. Have 2 loops on the hook and wrap the yarn, pull it through. Okay, continue, we repeat 3 single crochet. So here, 1, 2, 3. Let's make another decrease by using invisible decrease. So insert hook into the next front loop only. Keep inserting the hook into the next front loop only. Wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through these 2 loops. Wrap the yarn and pull the yarn through this loop. Alright? We have 2 single crochet left. So let's just crochet it. 1 and 2. So that's end of row 6. You will see the arms. You will see the hand with a thumb appear here. Okay? That's how we do or how we make the arm with, so that's how we make the hand with a thumb finger like this. Continue crochet as the script. You will have this. Alright, so happy crocheting. Goodbye.